Hello my beautiful Nicolettes, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new. I like to do morning routines, but I thought it would be fun to do morning life hacks. So these are my life hacks to make your morning routine go a little bit smoother, faster, lazy girl hacks in here. So I hope this is useful for you guys. If you like these videos, thumbs up so I know. And before I jump into it, today's YouTube shout out goes to, thank you so much for being a part of the notification squad. And if you want to be shouted out next, all you have to do is comment with the hashtag notification squad and turn on that bell and I'm gonna shout you out next. Also, I have Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and Facebook as always, so make sure you guys follow me over on there. Let me know what time you usually wake up in the morning. I'm curious to know. That being said, let's jump into it. How many times have you just woke up like this? To have the best and easier morning, a few things need to change. The first hack I have for you guys is to put an alarm sound that you're actually going to enjoy and not wake up in such a panic. When you're done setting that alarm, put it across the room so that when your alarm goes off in the morning, you actually have to get out of bed. My second life hack is right when you get up for bed, have a glass of cold water. This is not going to only rehydrate you, but it's also going to wake you up. If you're someone who has a hard time waking up in the morning, keep your blinds open because I find I wake up easier when it's super bright in my room. Another reason I find it hard to get out of bed is because I'm usually freezing and I love the comfort of my sheets. So a hack I have for you guys is hang a sweater or anything right where your bed is, so right when you wake up, you can put on those warm clothes. And to automatically boost your mood in the morning, my life hack is to go on YouTube and find a happy playlist. And who doesn't like Pharrell Williams' happy song? Most mornings I have no time to get ready, so I have a hack that's gonna leave your hair with heatless waves. All you have to do is separate your hair into two sections and do kind of like a fake braid and just twist it all around. Once you do that, you're gonna flip it over to the opposite side of your head and clip it, and you're gonna do the exact same thing on the other side. You're gonna keep this in while you do your hygiene routine, while you do your makeup, and then to finish it off, all you do is take a spray bottle of water and just spritz it all over, and you're gonna get the perfect heatless waves. These next couple of hacks have to do with your hygiene routine. If you really have no time to get ready, I like to take my Garnier micellar water and put it on a cotton pad and just it gets rid of the excess dirt that you may have left overnight. And another little tip I have for you guys to look as fresh as you can, all you have to do is use a face mask and make sure you put your face mask in the fridge so that it's going to be a depuffer for your face, especially in the morning. Especially sheet masks, because sheet masks are super moisturizing as well. So it's kind of like a 2-in-1 product. Once you're all done doing your makeup, it's time to put that hair down. And as you guys can see, once I put it down and I took it out of those twisted braids, you can tell that my hair is much more wavier and you got some heatless waves without having to do anything. A little makeup hack I have for you guys if you don't have time to, line your lips and do all that stuff to your lips. If you want your lips to look more plumper, all you have to do is throw in some peppermint oil into your lip gloss and you'll have that plumping lip effect. How many of you have went into your closet and just felt like you had nothing to wear even though you had all these clothes right in front of your face? The struggle is real. This can take so much time out of your morning just figuring out what outfit to wear. To avoid this situation, all you have to do is pick your outfit out the night before. By doing this, you won't even need to think about what you want to wear in the morning because it's already planned for you. And you can never go wrong with a simple top and jeans. And now, if you're really in a rush, a little hack I have for you guys is to set up your table the night before so that when you go downstairs, everything's already out. And another tip is to put on some plastic wrap on top of your plates so that when you eat, You won't even need to clean your plate. You could just eat on top of it, and then once you're done eating, you just remove that plastic, throw it into the garbage, and your plate is still brand new. That is all for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the Nicolette's Fam Jam, because your girl uploads every other day here on my channel. I don't know what this was. And as well as I hope you guys are having an amazing day, evening, or night whenever you're watching this, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye!